Hi, I'm Lori, and this week I'm coming to you from beautiful Soyuz, BC. We're here to drink a little wine, do some camping, and have a bit of fun. Come along and join us.
Hey everyone, I'm Lori, a certified wine judge with a passion for discovering great wines, hidden gems, and unforgettable adventures. From scenic road trips and van life to incredible destinations and local wineries, I'm always chasing the next great story, so grab a glass, hit subscribe, and let's explore the world together. Today I'm at the Seven Stones Winery on the Similkameen River in British Columbia, where handcrafted wine, stunning vineyard views, and warm hospitality come together. Join me as we discover what makes this hidden gem so special.
Yes, it is.
Hi, Jackie.
Hi.
Nice to meet you. I'm Lori.
So nice to meet you, too.
So we're at Seven Stones
You sure are.
Winery.
Welcome. Very
Thank
much
you.
So. We are known for our aged red wines, as I said, but our legend is a great one. The Indigenous people around us, we pay homage to them by showing the seven stones that they do believe that their creators dropped long ago, before there was roads.
Amazing.
Yeah.
And you were saying Bromley Rock is one of those?
Yes, Bromley Rock, the boulder. We did name a wine after all of each stone. So Bromley Rock was a gathering place for hunting and fishing and gathering. You also pass Standing Rock just outside of Karamias on the way to Headley. That was a love stone community. Standing Rock, or Speaking Rock, is on the way to Osoyoos.
Nice.
Yeah, that's a home rock.
Wow.
Then we do have Castle Rock, we have got Firestone, we have Rainstone, and we have Witchstone. These guys, you'd have to hike a little ways to get to them, and they are on banned land, but each of them means something different. Castle Rock is a house rock, Witchstone, witchery and sorcery. The Rainstone, they dance around it, beat it with sticks, and hope for rain. But the Firestone, they did believe that it would start burning embers around it during the day, and then it would light up all night and show you the way to the next erratic rocks.
And that's what the wines you have here are named after?
Yeah, sure are. Yes.
Amazing.
Yes. Yes.
So what's your favorite one?
Oh boy, the erratic. As you mentioned, good eye. Because 2016, 10 years in the bottle, Merlot-driven 5 Bordeaux blend, and 10 years in the bottle, it is like velvety smooth.
Amazing.
Yeah, I'm always so happy when we have this one open. Yeah, right in front of the wine shop, we're like 37 to 60 something.
Okay.
Of
Rose.
yeah, thank you. We have 205, and it just keeps on going down past. At one time in 1999, Clarence, he's our hay farmer down there, he did realize that he couldn't grow hay up here on the benches. And so he split the property in half. We're 20.
As our hostess with the mostest, Jackie, was telling us, long before the vineyards covered the Similkameen Valley, Indigenous people told stories of the seven stones scattered across the land. Each stone represented an important value like wisdom, courage, unity, truth, and served as spiritual landmarks for generations. Today, Seven Stones Winery honors that legacy, weaving the legend into the wines, its caves, and the unforgettable experience of this remarkable place.
So we just made it to our campsite tonight. We're in Osoyoos, BC, and we stopped by Seven Stones Winery. I've got some video of a lovely lady named Jacqueline who is giving us a bit of the history of the place. And now it's time to drink the Cab Franc that I bought. We started driving this morning. We got on the 9 o'clock, no, we missed the 9 o'clock ferry. We got on the 10 o'clock ferry, so we're just making it here now. It's about 5 in the evening. I'd like to have a glass of wine, go down, check out the swimming. Looks like a beautiful place. Wow. They weren't wrong. This is the 2018 Cab Franc. Amazing. I always do like a Cab Franc. Cheers. I got the floaty.
If you find yourself in British Columbia's beautiful Osoyoos and Similkameen Valley, Seven Stones Winery is well worth the stop. Between the incredible wines, the breathtaking scenery, and its fascinating legend behind the names, it's a place that truly leaves an impression. Hey, thanks for joining me on this adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves wine, travel, and discovering hidden gems. Until next time, everybody, cheers.